Okay friends, it's time to get started on our rear shock. All the way up here, you're going to be able to find one mounting nut. Following it down, you're going to be able to find a bolt that comes through from the inside towards the outside with a nut right along here. We need to start removing the pair. Typically this is going to be best with the rear wheels off the ground. Now to start taking it off, let's hold the bolt side with a wrench and then remove this nut. Now that we have the nut off of here, let's leave the bolt in so this can't move around on us and start doing the top. Now we're going to carefully remove this bolt. Now I'm just going to use a bar for some leverage, put it between the frame and the shock, and help it off of there. All right, here it is, friends. Now, before we can start installing our brand new shock, the first thing we need to do is charge it up. To do that, I'm going to press it down like this, remove the strap, and let it completely come up. Once it's completely up, I'll push it all the way down, let it come back up again. I'm going to do that 3 to 5 times to charge our shock. Let's get ready for our install. We're going to go right up to the top. We'll start the bushing on there, push it all the way in. Now we're going to start our nut on. Let's make our way to the bottom. Let's line up the bottom hole here. Start the bolt in from the inside towards the outside. Once it's through, we'll start the nut on there. Now that it's through, let's go ahead and put our nut on here. Now that both of them are started, let's continue on to snugging them up, and then we'll torque them both to 46 foot-pounds. Okay friends, we got our rear shock in. Typically when you do these, you do them as a pair. Aside from that, get yourself safely down to your local alignment shop.